So, for a foreigner like me, solo travelling to the farthest reaches of rural China without booking anything in advance originally seemed really intimidating. But having done it a couple of times now on my winter school holiday trip around Yunnan, I've come to learn that because China is a super safe place to travel and the people are exceedingly hospitable, it's not only easy to do, it actually makes the experience way more exciting. So in this video, I plan to do it again. Over the past few days, I've been in Kunming, the provincial capital of Yunnan. It's been amazing to get back out into nature and enjoy the beautiful weather here. It's really no wonder people call it the City of Eternal Spring. I've been staying at a place called the Cloudland Hostel. Not sponsored, just a really cool spot. Swapping stories with like-minded travellers and trying to figure out where to go next. Most people gave me the usual recommendations: Dali, Lijiang and Shangri-La. But they also said that it was currently really cold in those areas, so I decided to save them for another trip. Someone finally told me about some famous rice terraces, back down south where it's warmer, in a town called Yuanyang. They told me that they were stunningly beautiful, but also that they might be a little bit difficult to get to. To which I thought, challenge accepted. So I got up early and went to Kunming train station to begin the first part of my journey toward a town called Jianshui. Although the Chinese New Year holidays were coming to an end, the crowds were clearly still out in force, which made me pretty excited to get back out into the countryside. But, as has become the norm on these trips, the best laid plans of mice and men often go awry. A local I met on the train mentioned that because this was the final weekend of Chinese New Year holidays, the accommodation prices in Yuanyang would be ridiculous. But, if I just waited until next week, the prices would drop back down to normal levels. So in the end, I took his advice, and when I got off the train in Jianshui, I decided to stay a couple of days and check out this random town I'd never heard of. Oh, that's the bus.
Hello, taxi.
Where
are you going?
在这里。不要，谢谢。So many 出租车。12B. This is my bus. I think this is my bus. I don't actually have a place to go, but we'll figure it out. Jeez, I really have thrown a dart at a dartboard this time. I have no idea where I am. So my plan so far was to go to the rice fields, and that changed as soon as I got to the bus stop because of the high prices in the rice fields. So I literally just looked at a map and it said ancient town, and then I just directed to there. So now I'm in an ancient town. Welcome. I do not have a place to stay yet. So I'm just going to walk around until I find one. Wow, there's a lot of people for this town I've never heard of, Jianshui. There is heaps of people. There's a Macca's. I see a KFC over there. Oh wow, check that out. So this must be the ancient town. I will probably venture out there tomorrow and learn a bit more about it. For now, I think I'm just going to go down this random street and see if I can find somewhere to stay. This seems to be mostly food related. Very, very food related. I love all the Chinese New Year decorations that are still going on. Oh, they're playing mahjong in there. Yeah, I might have to come around again because I think I took a wrong turn. Oh, is there a wrong turn? Is that a thing?
Hello.
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 你好，这是寺庙吗？
清真寺啊，
你跟他说伊斯兰教，
伊斯兰教。
哎，
哦，明白。
应该说清真差不多。
你中文说，他中文说来。
啊。
OK， 马马虎虎。
马马虎虎都会，我可以啊。
我想找到一个可以住的地方。
住的地方，今
对
年，
你觉得那个
路口有2家。
哦，2家。
Yeah。
啊，那个路口。
对。
OK。
你属于法国人？
我是澳大利亚。澳大利亚。嗯，对。你们是旅游的吗？
没有，我在导航。
导航。
啊，找地方。
哦，真的？
我在找。
可以住。
不能，我在找清真寺。
清真寺。
另一个清真寺。
是穆斯林的。清人寺。这是什么语言？
啥子？这应该是他哈尼族自己的文字。
哈尼族。
对。自己的文字。
哇，
混合哈尼族。
有意思。哈尼族都是那个这个教吗？
信仰伊斯兰教在中国叫回族。有一部分少数民族信仰佛教。
佛教。
然后他们到这里。然后有一部分信仰道教。他们去道寺。是这样。然后有一部分信仰天主教，去天主教堂。所以56个民族，他信仰的都是不同的。只有回族伊斯兰教指定的信仰是一种。必须信仰这个伊斯兰教。
有意思。
你要去哪里？
不知道。
随意哈。
随意。
那就可以。
今天到了。
这里有一个院子，民宿。这里有一个民宿。王力观。然后前面还会有一个民宿。
OK。
你先去看一看。
OK， 谢谢，拜拜，拜拜。Very nice group of tourists there. Okay. Wow, we're getting right into the back streets here, ladies and gentlemen. This looks like it. 你好，这个地方可以住吗？
可以。
可以啊。哇。
中文说得很好。
还好。
还好。哪里的？
澳大利亚。
澳大利亚。
这是一个住的地方，可以住的地方。
这就是民宿，对。
一个晚上。
一个晚上。
多少
？180。
180。
对。
昨天是380。
对，我听说过。
你今天恢复原价了，你要不你去他们家看一看。
我看一看，
你看一看。
OK， 谢谢。
不谢。
我可能回来。Alright, I have a feeling they're all going to be about 180, hey? But then I guess we will see. Check this place out. Wow, this place is beautiful. 你好。没有人。Let's go upstairs. It keeps going. This place is so chill. Look at the mountains in the background. So, seems like no one's here. 你好。我想住在这里。
住在这里啊？
对。
你要住几天？初步的。2个晚上。
可能。
你自己一个人吗？
是的。
2个晚上你就给600吧。因为我们今天的房价还是400多，就是平常是200-300也是。
真的。OK。
好，没关系。
OK， 谢谢。$600 for a night or 2 nights? Nah.
你好。
又来了呀。Not as cheap as I hoped for, but 180 is 35 Australian dollars. 差不多。Perfect. So I have a beautiful spot to work from for the next 2 days.
有点饿，我带你去吃饭吧。可以。乱说的。
所以这个碱水本地的菜叫什么？这是牛肉饭吗？
牛肉米饭。
牛肉米饭。
对，牛肉是穆斯林 对，穆斯林的。
哦，穆斯林的啊。
当然对。我们是个，这车你看看没当过。
我看看火车站那里给你们可以
这是什么语言？
我们本地的
建水的
方言。
啊，真的。
对，
因为有自己的方言。
对。这就是新鲜的菜
啊，可以的。我喜欢，都喜欢。
都喜欢吗？
都喜欢。
那你吃2个菜可以了吧？2个菜，1个米饭，好不好？
啊，可以的。
辣椒会吃吗？
会吃。
那你自己吃了再回来。
啊，可以的。
认识路了吗？
认识路。
我先回去了。
OK。谢谢带回去啊。I got a big table all to myself. I got to stop saying thank you here. No one says thank you. The guy said this was Muslim cuisine, I think. Oh man. Whatever it is, that is good. Spicy. Wow, very spicy. So they've also brought out this dish of vegetables that I've never seen before in my life. What is that? What is this? Looks like a root of some sort. Oh wow. Oh, that tastes so good. Kind of has like an oniony texture if you like boiled onions. That's all so good. This is perfect. I'm going to sit here and enjoy this.
Well, today's been an awesome day. This is why I love solo travel, guys. You never know where you're going to end up. This culturally diverse town seems to have a lot to offer, and I reckon I've barely scratched the surface. So in the next video, I'll head out and explore this town a little bit more. But until then, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. 35 Australian dollars. 差不多 per night during Australian New Year? During Chinese New Year.